Q4850-2. As a rule of thumb, altitude corrections of less than 100 feet should be corrected by using A. 2 bar widths on the attitude indicator. B. Less than a full bar width on the attitude indicator. C. Less than half bar width on the attitude indicator. The correct answer is B. Attitude indicator. The attitude indicator, also known as the artificial horizon, provides information about the aircraft's pitch and bank attitudes. It is used for maintaining the desired aircraft attitude during flight. Altitude corrections. When making altitude corrections during flight, small adjustments of less than 100 feet are considered minor corrections. These adjustments do not require large pitch changes, but rather subtle adjustments to maintain the desired altitude. Less than a full bar width. The attitude indicator typically has bar markings that represent various pitch attitudes. Making small altitude corrections of less than 100 feet would involve using less than a full bar width on the attitude indicator. This means making minor adjustments to the pitch attitude without moving the indicator's reference bar to the extreme end of its range. By using less than a full bar width on the attitude indicator, the pilot can make subtle pitch adjustments to correct minor altitude deviations of less than 100 feet. This allows for precise control and helps maintain a more stable altitude. Therefore, as a rule of thumb, altitude corrections of less than 100 feet should be corrected by using less than a full bar width on the attitude indicator. 4851. What is the initial primary bank instrument when establishing a level standard rate turn? A. Turn coordinator. B. Heading indicator. C. Attitude indicator. The correct answer is C. Attitude indicator. The attitude indicator, also known as the artificial horizon, provides information about the aircraft's pitch and bank attitudes. It is a crucial instrument for establishing and maintaining the desired aircraft attitude during flight. Level standard rate turn. When initiating a level standard rate turn, the primary objective is to establish and maintain a constant bank angle throughout the turn while keeping the aircraft level in terms of pitch. The attitude indicator provides a clear indication of the bank attitude of the aircraft, allowing the pilot to establish the desired bank angle for the turn. Bank control. The attitude indicator helps the pilot make accurate and precise bank angle adjustments. By monitoring the attitude indicator, the pilot can set and maintain the correct bank angle using reference lines or markings on the instrument. Therefore, when establishing a level standard rate turn, the initial primary bank instrument is the attitude indicator. It provides the necessary information for setting and maintaining the desired bank angle throughout the turn while keeping the aircraft level in terms of pitch. 4853. What instruments are supporting bank instrument when entering a constant airspeed climb from straight and level flight? A. Heading indicator. B. Attitude indicator and turn coordinator. C. Turn coordinator and heading indicator. The correct answer is B. Attitude indicator. The attitude indicator, also known as the artificial horizon, provides information about the aircraft's pitch and bank attitudes. When entering a constant airspeed climb, the attitude indicator assists in maintaining a constant pitch attitude while transitioning from straight and level flight to a climb. Turn coordinator. The turn coordinator primarily provides information about the rate of roll and rate of turn. When entering a constant airspeed climb, the turn coordinator can assist in maintaining coordinated flight during the bank maneuver. It helps ensure that the aircraft is not skidding or slipping during the transition into the climb. By using the attitude indicator, the pilot can establish and maintain the desired pitch attitude during the climb, while the turn coordinator helps maintain coordinated flight and assists in monitoring the rate of roll and turn. Therefore, when entering a constant airspeed climb from straight and level flight, the supporting bank instruments are the attitude indicator and turn coordinator. They work together to help maintain the desired pitch attitude and ensure coordinated flight during the climb. 4855. What are the 3 fundamental skills involved in attitude instrument flying? A. Instrument interpretation, trim application, and aircraft control. B. cross-check, instrument interpretation, and aircraft control. C. Cross-check, emphasis, and aircraft control. The correct answer is B. Cross-check. Cross-check refers to the systematic scanning and interpretation of multiple instruments in the cockpit. It involves continuously checking and comparing the indications from various instruments to ensure accurate and reliable information. This skill helps maintain situational awareness and detect any discrepancies or deviations. Instrument interpretation. Instrument interpretation is the ability to understand and interpret the indications provided by the instruments. Pilots must be familiar with the various instrument displays and understand how they relate to the aircraft's attitude, performance, and navigation. Accurate interpretation of instruments is essential for making informed decisions and maintaining precise control. Aircraft control. Aircraft control refers to the ability to manipulate the aircraft's controls, such as the flight controls and power settings, to maintain the desired attitude, altitude, airspeed, and heading. Precise control inputs are necessary to fly the aircraft accurately and safely solely by reference to instruments. By combining cross-check, instrument interpretation, and aircraft control, pilots can effectively and safely fly an aircraft using only the instruments, even without external visual references. Therefore, the three fundamental skills involved in attitude instrument flying are cross-check, instrument interpretation, and aircraft control. These skills are essential for maintaining situational awareness, accurately interpreting instrument indications, and controlling the aircraft solely by reference to instruments. 4856. What indication is presented by the miniature aircraft of the turn coordinator? A. Indirect indication of the bank attitude. B. Direct indication of the bank attitude and the quality of the turn. C. Quality of the turn. The correct answer is A. Turn coordinator. The turn coordinator is an instrument that provides information about the rate of roll and rate of turn of an aircraft. It consists of a miniature aircraft symbol or an inclinometer that moves in response to the aircraft's bank attitude. Indirect indication of bank attitude. The movement of the miniature aircraft in the turn coordinator provides an indirect indication of the aircraft's bank attitude. As the aircraft banks, the miniature aircraft in the turn coordinator will show a corresponding deflection or movement, indicating the bank angle. However, it's important to note that the turn coordinator does not provide a direct and precise indication of the bank angle. It provides a relative indication of the bank attitude, helping the pilot maintain coordinated flight and detect any excessive bank angles or skidding/slipping conditions.